Hi friends, it's Shanna, Shop Glorious Day, and the skies are definitely brightening now. I am in back a little bit here in the compound, and I wanted to get to Farm and Factory Interiors. Everybody's sort of in the midst of packing up, of course, but I am going to get in. I was just chatting with Erin, and we're going to carry on the conversation, and we'll have much more to share in the days to come. But I wanted to bring you in to see these fabulous Farm and Factory upcycled lighting and mirrored designs, and just the texture and beauty that you'll see in all of them that will spark your imagination, I have no doubt. So of course they're packing up and picked over, but we'll get a close-up of a few of the pieces at least so you can get a sense for why I've been so captivated with them for so long. So entry point here, and he's actually chatting with customers, but I want you to feel the look.
It's very doable. Okay. I try to see the parts I have together.
And I'll try to slow down so you can sort of see the textures and the pieces. Erin said he makes like hundreds and hundreds of fixtures himself every year. Look at this one. Farmhouse Pride. But I love the, I don't know, the feel too, with like the old signs and mirrors. And but let's take a look.
You already took my phone number. Can you have take a picture of this and send it to me? And then I've got the card and then all the
We greatly appreciate your time.
So beautiful. So we'll capture some more here up close. Look at the textures, all the light bulbs. So brilliant. So we are at Farm and Factory Interiors inside the compound here. Look at this. I'll kind of stop for a second so you can see all the gears and the detail. Look at this. What a piece. We'll get under this.
If you couldn't find that one, you sure won't find that one.
That's my latest breed.
I am like all caught up in this. I'm looking at all the patterning from all the different angles, and I could play here for hours. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? So, look, we'll get under this one too. Erin's handiwork here, Farm and Factory Interiors, showing at the compound. I love just getting in on all the detail and the textures and so fascinating. And then I love when they just show them with the old signs and the textures and colors of everything, the way they're mixed. Look at these. So obviously, as we said, they're sort of in takedown, but I wanted you to see these up close. Look at this. I love these. Yeah, so and here's Pride of the Farm. We'll turn it this way. Gorgeous. And Erin was sharing that actually it's a family business. His mom actually doing the mirrors. Look at them. Are they great? And look at this fixture. Look. With the pulley. gears. So
Kind of like, do you remember Moon Tower? Yes. Not Moon Tower.
So beautiful. So that's air in there. Stepping out into the bright sunshine now. I feel like I want to give him like a bow. Gosh. Yeah, so now you get a sense for why I wanted to bring you in there. So this is farm and factory interiors showing here at the compound. And we just saw Aaron there briefly. We'll hopefully have opportunity to chat with him and interact with him where he can share more of the details sometime. So we'll sign off here for now. Looks like we're not going to make it to Marburger, but we'll see where we end up next. Here, so we're here, Shanna, Shop Glorious Day, here at the Round Top 2021 Spring Show. Some of the dealers and shows wrapping up now. Folks have been here for several weeks, and it's been an amazing time. So we'll carry on, though. I think there's still more for us to bring to you. Stay tuned.